Hi, this is Michael with Triadd Software. Last time, we went over how to create your organizational hierarchy in Gain, including your company, departments, groups, and sections. Today, we're going to cover how you can set up your record centers, as well as the sizes of your records and the locator pins that you use to track them. You start by opening the Record Center tab in the navigational menu up top. This will open up the Locator, Record Size, Record Center, and Media subtabs. Locators can be used to track your records by record center, shelf priority, aisle, and size. Record sizes are the user-specified dimensions of your boxes, folders, and documents. The Record Center tab covers the details for the physical record centers where your records are stored, and the Media system is used to define the codes created to describe the type of material that Gain is managing. We'll start by going into the Record Size tab to create our record size. You'll notice when we browse our existing sizes, we don't have any set up for folders or documents, so let's fix that. We'll click the clear Add icon and begin setup. First is our size code, which is the record size's unique identifier. Then the plain text description, dimensions, type of record this media references, the setup date, and the total volume. You can also include notes on the record size. Once this step is done, you'll have filled out all the information relevant to your record size. Now, we'll save this record size and proceed to the next step, which is to set up your physical record center. This time, we're going to implement Gain's Entity Template function to get us started. We'll enter the unique center code, change the name of the record center, and adjust the setup date. From there, we can change the locator type, storage method, immediate reservation settings, terminated date, and contact information, but we'll leave those all be for now. Now that the record center is established, we can create our first locator. As with previous entities, the code for the locator is a unique identifier that can't be repeated in another locator. We'll enter the picking sequence, the setup date, the number of spaces available at this location, the size code for what is stored there, and the shelf priority. We'll also set the storage facility, but since our folders will be stored in the boxes we've already created a locator for, they're going to be placed in the pre-existing record center instead of the one we've just created. The spaces used and spaces available sections for the locators are automatically adjusted when adding records and cannot have more added to them once they're filled. Finally, we're ready to set up an example of media type. To do this, just enter the unique code under media type, a brief description of the media you're storing, and the setup date, as long as any notes you'd like to take. And that's it. Your record center, locators, and record sizes are all set up. Note that the records require a record center and record size to get set up, but media types are not strictly necessary. In our next video, I'll be showing you how to establish your retention policies, authorization codes, and disposal methods, as well as touching briefly on some of the optional features in the policy menu. For now, I'm Michael. Thanks for watching.